I'm applying this. No! Hello, this is vamp, gore, aka your favorite weird goth nerd, and it's like 12:35 right now, and I'm like gonna have to do this like tutorial kind of quick as possible. Today we're gonna do a updated goth tutorial, because I've finally got better products, and you know I got better with my skills. So let me just get started. So to start off, I finally bought myself some white foundation. Remember that shit I used to use back in that first ever video I made with the goth tutorial, man?
I don't have white powder. I'm gonna be trying this. I used this when I had to do my Gojo cosplay. This is only for eyebrows, eyeshadow. Tried my best to blend everything out.
Yeah, I used that shit. Yikes, I know. That shit literally was so difficult to get like rid of my face. Like, I got myself a beauty blender as well, not a stupid ass, dumbass, whatchamacallit, those fucking sponges. Those sponges that look like fucking SpongeBob SquarePants. Anyways.
By the way, you're gay.
By the way, the foundation I'm using is cream to powder foundation Alfano. So I was just talking to my friends, and then I told them, hey, I gotta do this tutorial because soon as possible, because I kind of want to get this over with, and I also want to do the clown makeup, honestly, because I actually want to do the clown makeup, but you guys suggested I do the updated goth tutorial instead, so I'm doing this for you guys. You know what? I feel like I just fixed my sleeping schedule too, and isn't that amazing that? Like, I swear to God, if I fuck up my sleeping schedule because of this, I will cry. I like covered myself to the best of my ability right now. I'm gonna try this. I haven't actually tried this before. I like using baby powder because honestly, when I took the pictures, oh my God, I gotta be careful with this. Oh my God. She ain't coming out. What the fuck? Oh, it's coming out now. Okay. I'm applying this. Oh. No!
Oh no!
Fuck. No. Yo, I got baby powder everywhere, man. Fuck, man. I'm gonna have to clean this up after. Fuck. Wait, I'm gonna apply this with this brush. I'm doing this quick as possible because fuck me. I'm trying my best not to fuck up literally, after I make this tutorial, I am literally gonna knock out. I do not care. Obviously, I'm gonna remove my makeup because what the fuck, man. I don't know if I should start with the eyes or with the lips. I'm gonna start with the lips. So, what I do normally is I get myself hold up, wait a second. Got it. Okay, so I'm using black eyeliner, and literally any kind of black eyeliner can work with this. And I kind of like do like a V cut on my like cupid's bow, but like I kind of like also like I kind of like oh my God, can you how can I speak? Fucking oh my God. Oh my God. Overline the top part, but like kind of like not really with the bottom part of it, like the sides. And I kind of like go there here. I kind of coloring my lips with this, but not really too much of it, because I'm gonna add in the red. I do want to try purple, but I might just do red, honestly, or actually, this is by Mario color Vampish. Okay. See how this looks with this. I'm testing everything out. It looks similar to what I usually use, which is Revlon 777 Vampire Love. What do I do next? Even though I myself forgot. I myself forgot. Honestly, when I did it, I used like a couple of reference photos on Pinterest and just like called it a day. This is the Pacific look I'm going for currently, which is what I did on IG, which if you haven't been following me on IG, please do. Line up my things though, so I'm gonna do that with this. I'm gonna do the nostrils, the nose. I'm using ColourPop, Stone Cold Fox. I'm gonna use Rumor's Mill. I just need to just like line this up. So yeah. I'm gonna keep on lining my thing. I'm gonna use this brush. It's just like a round kind of thing, to kind of like do the eyeshadow part. Yeah, I'm gonna use You Rock first. Like I like to use like lighter shades first and then go for the darker shades. I'm gonna use Rumor's Mill now and then kind of like go through that again, kind of making it darker. We're mainly kind of doing the upper crease and then kind of blending it in with the nostrils side of it. But yeah, I just heard some noise outside. I gotta be careful because the last time I did this, my mom got scared and she's like, "Don't ever do this shit again." I'm like, okay, I won't do that. Here I am doing it again. So I'm gonna get some black eyeshadow and kind of putting that in the corner. Don't cover the whole entire eye, by the way, because we're gonna use white for that. But so I'm using my own reference, by the way, so that's what I'm looking back at that. No, I haven't been talking about anything really because I'm just too, you know. I was just on a call with one of my friends, like with like two of my friends, and we were just talking about life, you know. Nice. It was a great. I mean, it was kind of depressing, but it was more like, I'm not gonna get into the details, but it's just like, I think it's like more of a canon event, I guess. I blended everything out, added a little bit of white eyeshadow around like my nose area. And also I've been adding like black like eyeshadow like around my like waterline area with this brush, which is like pretty small. But yeah. Wait, I mean, you could also use just your regular ass like eyeliner and just like, you know what I'm saying, like, and add in. So I kind of got rid of the excess with like my paper towel and removing the excess off of the like the gray part, and then using white eyeshadow, I'm gonna do it around like the eyelid area. And yeah. Oh my god, I don't fuck up. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm also gonna clean up this area and then put in my nose. Okay, the eyeliner is what's gonna scare me. I use two eyeliners usually. Either this or this one, the NYX like professional makeup epic eyeliner, ink eyeliner. It's the tip is like that. Same goes with this one. Same thing. Oh my god. How did I do this again? Fuck. Oh my god. Okay, I got this. Don't stop believing. I forgot the fucking lyrics. Raymond. Oh my god. I think I fucked up. So it's supposed to look something like that. But yeah. We go and do the next eye now. I am scared now. Because I don't want to fuck up. Y'all, I already fucked up this eye. Fuck me. Oh my god. Oh, I'll be back. So this is how the eyes are supposed to look like right now. I like how Azriel if you're watching this, like, you randomly texted, like, at everyone to the fucking server. Meanwhile, everyone else is sleeping, and I'm making the tutorial, so. Plus, you also sent me a fucking snap. I need to look at that after I'm done the video. So, if it takes a while, it's not because I'm ignoring you, it's because I'm making a tutorial. Help me understand, girl. My eyes are currently red. I'm scared. I'm not high, I swear. I think my eyes are just telling me, go to sleep, bitch. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Oh my god.
Okay, I do need to sleep. Oh my god.
This thing nearly fucked up my fucking eyeball. Oh my god. Now I have to add more white eyeshadow, like between the fucking like thing. Alright, here. I'll put it up. And you're coming together. Adding a little bit of white eyeshadow.
Wait, do I really want to add more extra like white foundation to this? Like honestly, like, I'll do it anyways.
So I look kind of perfect, even though I'm not gonna go out or take pictures of. Randy! Shut up, Randy. Oh my god. Why is everyone wanting my attention?
This makes me want to do everything quick as possible because everyone just wants my attention right now for some.
Even Poke2 wants me, bro. What Pokemon is that anyway? Okay, I'm finally gonna do my eyeliner. Okay. I gotta be careful. Oh my god, I'm so scared for my life. Oh my god.
You can see here, not the best because my fucking hair. Oh my god. Rip my. Okay, I think my liquid liner freaking got into my hair. Isn't that great? Wonderful, amazing. But if you can see, I normally do my crazy eyes like this, and then I kind of line it up, and then do that line, and then fill that in, and then. Okay, hold on, let me do this again.
Okay, anyways, I swear to fucking god, if that has to. You know what just happened while I was doing this? Okay, so while I was like fixing up everything, which by the way, let me just tell you what I just fixed up. I'm not high, I swear. I don't know why the fuck my eyes are red. Anyway, so I fixed up my liner with like the white eyeshadow because I do not want to remove it with freaking makeup remover. And then I fixed up my eye. Normally the eye area is supposed to be white, and then I added a little bit more black over here, and then also put the liner. I put the liner, it kind of like went higher with the liquid liner. Don't like put too close, but like close to your like lash line pretty much. And then I also fixed up my lips a little bit, make it more cut, like V. I like your cut, G.
I like your cut, G.
Anyways, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. I just gotta do the two dots on the side, and then the Egyptian sign thing. The Cleopatra thing. My freaking liner, oh my god. Kind of like, no, but before I even do that, I kind of like try to get into the middle and then kind of go down, kind of like make a slight triangle with it on like around here, like kind of make a triangle, and then I go down. Oh my god, I just hear someone. Oh my god, I'm scared for my life now. And I'm thicken it a bit, not too much though. And a meat triangle around here. And a sideways triangle. Kind of do it over there, like that. Just like that. For me, it's my right. And then I kind of do this way. Like that. Yeah. Pretty much it. And then for my eyebrows, honestly, I just kind of like cleaned them off, like kind of like that. Kawaii desu. So anyways, back with what I was saying. So I had to check on my Azrael because Azrael added everyone twice on the fucking server. Randomly, freaking Randy texted me, like not texted me, but called me at the time, and I was like, what the fuck? Why is Randy calling me out of nowhere? But yeah, and then I had to call Azrael and Snap, being like, yo, you good? He's like, I'm fine, I just wanted to troll people. I'm like, motherfucker. I'm in the middle of fucking doing this. Like, what the fuck? But yeah, I checked up on him. He's good. Oh yeah. Yeah, me and Jafel, we streamed recently. So if you haven't checked that stream yet, go check it out.
Did you try to break this? What the hell was that?
Fuck. Link in the description. Don't you love when you're making a video and then your friends randomly call you? Like, isn't that great? That's so amazing. Amazing, I know. So I almost forgot. I also add like mascara on top, like at the top and the bottom, but with this. Also Too Faced as well, like depending how I feel. I don't feel like doing that though, so yeah. Cause I'm gonna remove this like right now. So yeah. I don't know how I forgot to do this, but like I also usually contour the side of my face with like black eyeshadow. But for some reason, I forgot. You know what? I'm blaming my friends for that. That's why I forgot. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to my channel if you want to. And follow my socials. And that's about it. Take care. Drink some blood. See ya.